What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today we are going to review a recent released on Netflix, Mosul. The story, whatever they wanted to tell, it's not what the reality happened, but at least wanted to show you the emotional aspect of the things happened during that time. And when you compare with the reality, it was similarly not like that, because Myanmar never have fought. And in the news you can see that at time it was the most hurt city. So it's just a fictional story that tells the emotions of the people. So the story revolves around Akawa, a young guy, and he was with his uncle and fighting with another group, and thus came the leader Jason, and then he said that who you belong to. And since he's young, and they have a list of people who are who, and because he said this is my town and I know that who has the ancestry and who are the relatives and who are hit by the groups. And so he gave him a choice to join him, and he joins them. And because his uncle is old, he said you better go because you are injured also. And later he found out that his uncle point out where they are hiding, and they got hit, and his uncle ran away from that place. So now they are going from one place to another, and but they still have in mind that what happened, why his uncle and what his uncle did to him. So they have this in their brain, and they are moving towards the city. And there you can see that they are looking at the two kids who lost their lives and loved ones. They are saving one of them also and giving them to another family. So they just wanted to show it's not us, but they're the people, the whole group, especially the youngsters, teenagers, and all those women also. You see that there is a one intense fight scene that happened, that she lost the infant child, or maybe a small kid. So they just wanted to highlight what the worst could happen. And in the end, the people are become it's a very famous thought that it's from Africa, that when two elephant fight, it's only the grass that pays the price. So it's the grass that pays the price, though. And then they see once they find out in another group who detained some people, his uncle was there. So now they are totally angry because they saw that you are the one. And he said that they just wanted to make sure that I am highlighting where you are, so that they will not hurt my family. And then that was the intense scene. You will really see that Kawa lost his emotions on what is happening. And then their leader, the Jason, he was trying to tell that, he said, don't tell me what I don't want to know. Tell me when you wanted to tell me. Tell me what you want me to do and where you wanted to do. So I will just follow your orders. So it looks like the people just became puppet of one to another. So he lost his emotions, no matter he was hurt, and his whole group was not telling him the whole story. And I hope you will really like and enjoy this one. Just watch it as a movie, and also as a human being, that what happened with the people, because the reality is far worse than what we see here. So kindly like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. I hope you will really like it. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.